Hey guys, this is Gorfan. I'm going to do a review and start of my Honda mower. But I purchased this brand new in, I believe, 2005 at Home Depot. Now let's start the review. It's a Honda. Quadroclad means it has two blades. It's overhead cam. Spark plug. I believe it's a GVC 160. The air filter. Fuel line, choke, throttle, fuel tank, fuel cap, muffler, oil. I think I'm replacing the wheels, but I don't know when. It's a variable speed. Pull rope, pull starter. It's a 3-in-1. You can back, mulch, inside starts, but when it came with the mulch and bag, I believe you can buy the side starch at a Honda store. Smart drive, you see your thumb, play engagement, play handle, play engagement, PTO, throttle and choke. And here's where the mulch plug is. Where we added a new cable because the cable broke. Let's give you guys a warm start. I believe it's a warm start. So turn it on, get through the throttle. Let's give it a roll. And that's my review of the Honda mower. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to Fan. Thank you very much and have a nice day.